Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable spell check in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and then select settings from the menu. Now type the word spell here and then you'll find this option for spell check. You can turn it on. When you turn it on, it only permits basic spell check. Obviously we have another video on enhanced spell check, but this is how you can turn on spell check. Okay, and then it will mention the languages for which you want the spelling checked, and then you can click on the customize button. If there are some words that you wish to whitelist, you can do that. Like I want my name whitelisted, so I'll add that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.